Hi, my name is Charles Malky, biologist and plant expert with Ivory Organics, where we grow cool plants and author of Saving the World with the Home Garden. And today I'm proud to share with you that in the entire month of March, or at least while supplies last, Ivory Organics is giving away 3 passion fruit cuttings from this vine with every order of any of the Ivory Organic brand products, which are innovative, organic, effective, USA made products to help make this your best growing season. Ivory Organic brand products include the Ivory Organic 3-in-1 Plant Guard, which offers protection from damaging summer sunburn, winter sun scald, in addition to repelling most insects and rodents, with the 7 natural oils in addition to diatomaceous earth. Additionally, we've got the whitewash oil-free formula, as well as the Ivory Organics organic fertilizers, which contain all 6 macronutrients, and the super blend has the added benefits of azomite, which delivers a lot of micronutrient nutrition to your plants as well. We would love to hear your Ivory Organic growing successes by tagging us at Ivory Organics and hashtag Ivory Organic as you experience your best growing season. Again, we'd love to hear from you, and we may share your story as well. Now let me share with you a few helpful tips on why you should be growing passion fruit in your garden before I get to the participation rules. Let's get started. So I've got my passion fruit vines growing in this zone 10 here in Los Angeles. Just growing right off of these light structures that I've got secured to the home and between the garden and my house. And the light structure will pick up one of the vines. It'll extend from one extreme to the other, and within a couple of months after it grows, it'll then drop these lateral branches, which will then support the flowers and ultimately a ton of fruit. This vine has been productive all the way through the winter months of November, December, January, even here in February. But I do expect the plant to take a break as it has not been blooming in the winter months. So come spring, early spring, I'm expecting most of this harvest to fall, and we're gonna have a short break while it then resumes production in later spring, going into summer, fall, and another winter. So a highly productive passion fruit vine, high yields, delicious flavor, and just an all-around awesome plant to have on your backyard orchard. Another benefit of the passion fruit vine is that it grows an average of about 15 to 20 feet per year, making a privacy fence instantaneously. So if you've got a neighbor that you're trying to block out, or you've got a chain link fence that's unsightly and you want to cover it up, passion fruit vine is an excellent way to get year-round green foliage and fruits, as we did at 8 Million Drops, which is a nonprofit center that we have here in Los Angeles that basically feeds their homeless community in the surrounding areas. And we're so proud that they're harvesting hundreds, if not thousands, of passion and fruit vines from cuttings that we planted just 3 short years ago. So these here are just a few of the passion fruit that fell to the floor in the last 24 hours off this single vine that we've got growing here on our property. It's about a 3-year-old vine. And one of the reasons to be growing passion fruit is that you're growing not just something delicious, but also something that's very healthy for you and your family and friends that you share it with. And I just want to share with you that by getting cuttings off of this plant, you're going to be growing genetically identical plants, same yield, same flavor, same size, all of the identical characteristics of this parent plant. By taking a cutting off of that, you're going to have a genetically identical plant on your property. And you can see that what I've done here, now it's all turning juicy here, if you want to come in a little closer. You can see the juice compared to this one over here that I have not yet started popping using my spoon. So what I'm doing is just popping these juice sacs, and then I go in with my spoon and get that first bite of juice and seeds. It's fantastic, both sweet and tart. For those of you that have had or heard of fruit punch, the inspiration behind fruit punch is the passion fruit. What an amazing way to bring tropical flavors into your property and into your food and into your drinks than passion fruit juice. Check this out. So here we're just gonna use a strainer, and we can get the rest of this juice out. If we want to filter out the seeds, we can just get passion fruit juice to make any of your drinks, whether it be a passion fruit orange juice, pineapple juice, any juice that you've got. You add passion fruit to it, and you've just enhanced the flavor with this tropical twist. Another reason to be growing passion fruit, they're expensive. Last time I went to the grocery store, I think I saw a little over $3 each. So when you see hundreds of fruit, that's hundreds of dollars you've just grown on your property with just a single vine. So this is of value to be introducing to your property. And again, they can range in price anywhere from $3, and I've seen them as much as $5 a piece. So more expensive than avocados, passion fruit. So behind me here is the passion fruit vine that came here to our Los Angeles property from Palm Beach, Florida in 2012. Here we are in 2022, 10 years later, and the vine is dead. And that's another reason you got to be propagating by way of cutting to ensure the deliciousness that we had in Florida, we got to enjoy in Los Angeles, and now all of you guys are going to get to enjoy is by taking cuttings off of your healthy, cloned, which are genetically identical plants to that plant that we grew and that was given as a gift to us from a nursery in South Miami. And we brought it to our Palm Beach property and enjoyed it for many years, loved it so much that we brought it to Los Angeles and now making its way to your home. So this is a passion fruit cutting that's been in our family for a decade, and hopefully will become a part of your property for many decades. And the way you're going to ensure that is by way of cutting, because passion fruit vines only live an average of about 7 years, and we did better. We got to about 10. And so with 7 years being the average life, and commercially they're grown for an average of about 5 years because productivity begins to decline, to ensure healthy, productive plants that'll grow on average. And a lot of research will support this, not just what we experience here on our property, is 15 to 20 feet of growth every year. And that's how you can create that quick evergreen privacy fence. Even if fruit are not that important to you, but you can quickly gain that privacy fence by growing passion fruit on your property. Just an added benefit and plus for having this beautiful addition to the home garden. So there's two ways you can win passion fruits in the month of March from Ivy Organics. One is through social media, and the other one is by simply purchasing any of the Ivy Organic brand products from ivyorganics.com. And let me now read the participation rules from the ivyorganics.com website. Participation rules. Annual free passion fruit cutting giveaway is March 1st to March 31st of 2022, or while supplies last. USA only. Participate on Ivy Organic Facebook and or Ivy Organic Instagram and or Ivy Organic Twitter, or all by following the page, liking the March 1st, 2022 post, and tagging at least 2 gardening friends or family. The more the better for your chances to win free cuttings. Shipping costs are also included, USA only. 3 winners per week in the month of March of 2022 will be randomly selected to win free passion fruit cuttings from each of the social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. And increase your chances by participating on all 3 social media sites and or tagging more than 2 gardening friends. And the sooner you participate, the better your chances are to win. A total of 15 winners will be drawn, and free shipping included, again, USA only. Free passion fruit cuttings, total of 3 fresh cuttings in each package prepared less than 24 hours prior to shipping, are enclosed when you purchase any of the Ivy Organic brand products at ivyorganics.com store. For each item you purchase, a set of 3 passion fruit cuttings will be included with your order. First come, first served, while supplies last. Ivy Organic brand products are innovative, organic, effective, and USA made to help make this your best growing season. We'd love to hear your story by tagging us at ivyorganics.com. We may share your story. Additionally, I'm going to be sharing a lot of lessons that we've shared on passion fruit over the years, starting with the most recent and going back in time, and all of those links you can find below in the video description. Additionally, I'm going to put links where you can quickly learn, for those of you that are new, the value and the benefits in just a 2 to 3 minute commercial, the benefits of whitewashing your trees using the Ivy Organics brand formula. Additionally, there'll be a link with a short commercial sharing the value of using the Ivy organic fertilizers, which offer your plants all 6 macronutrients compared to most of the fertilizers that only focus on NPK. Ivy Organic brand fertilizers offer your plants all 6 macronutrients in addition to a lot of the micronutrients. And again, that link to that fertilizer commercial will be in the video description below as well for your convenience, so you can watch it at your leisure as you're deciding which of the products you're going to be using to help make 2022 your best growing season. If you've enjoyed this lesson brought to you by Ivory Organics, be sure to give us a thumbs up and most importantly, share us with your gardening friends and family. And as always, keep growing with Ivory Organics and wishing you all happy gardening.